All right, guys, take a look at your lawn. Check around to see if you have these lines around your grass. This is actually from voles, basically little field mice. In the winter, what happens is it's cold, so they burrow and tunnel underground to stay warm. And in these tunnels, they will start chewing on the roots for food, the grass roots from the tunnels up. So these lines are actually indicators of where these tunnels are. Let's talk about step by step on what you can expect, how to deal with this problem, and make your lawn look better this year. All right, first thing you're gonna want to do, grab yourself a leaf rake and rake out these areas. You're gonna notice a lot of dead grass along these lines. Be careful, don't get too aggressive with it. Just remove some of this dead material. The plan is to allow new growth to fill in these spots. If you have this dead material laying there, it's not gonna spread and fill itself in. After you've raked it out, go ahead and walk around these lines. You're gonna find holes every once in a while. This is where they come in and out of the ground. Grab some rodent bait and put in these holes. Be careful to read the label. You don't want to just spread this over the surface. Sometimes this can be harmful to pets, so just keep it underground. I also like to cover up these holes with dirt. Take a look at these holes. If you still have the dirt that you put in the hole, you're making progress. The chances are a lot of these holes are going to open back up because you're not going to kill all the voles at once. This is a long-term problem, a long thing to deal with. So if you have the holes, then you're going to reapply this bait, recover it with dirt, and keep doing that until you see success. After that, you're going to want to get some bait boxes and put them around your yard. Bait boxes simply have bait inside. They're lockable, so they're safe. The voles will go inside, take a little bite, they'll go out, do their thing, and probably just die in the tunnels. Keep in mind, put these up against fence lines, houses. You're going to have more success. They like to run up against objects. So find a fence line or something that's near all of this damage and put the bait boxes in that area. Another step you could do is you could go get some vole repellent. The nice thing about this is it doesn't actually kill them, so it's safe. So you can spread this around. It's a granular. You can spread it around your entire yard. You don't have to worry about it being unsafe for your kids or your pets or anything. Take these steps. Keep in mind, let's set some realistic expectations. This is not a one and done. This is going to be an ongoing thing to reduce the population. They reproduce really fast, so stay on top of it. After you've done all this and you feel like you've got a handle on it, just keep an eye on these lines. They should spread and fill in themselves if they're not too big of areas, as long as you're doing good cultural practices. So keep an eye on it, make sure it's recovering well. If you follow these steps, you should have a lot of success. If you have any questions or if you want more tips, follow us, check out our page. We're here to help you out so you can have a better yard this year.